In this comprehensive guide, I'll show you step-by-step process to fix audio and microphone issues on your ChromeOS devices. Don't worry, this method works for both single boot and dual boot setups. So let's start right now. This process will work only for single boot. So first, primary keyboard press and hold Ctrl Alt plus T. This will open Crosh command window. Now type shell and hit enter. Now type this command sudo space edit-grub-config. Then press enter. Now again press enter to continue. Here you will see the kernel list. Select your default kernel and hit enter. Now on your keyboard press the down arrow key and select Android_fix. Now press the spacebar to enable it. Then press down arrow again and hit enter. Now if you had a single problem with the audio, then this was the method to fix it. But if you're also facing the mic issue, now you'll go to the second page. Again, press down arrow key and select internal_mic_fix. Press the spacebar to enable it, then hit enter. Now close your Crosh command, select leave. Now after restarting, you can check your sound is working and your microphone is also working. Now if you're using dual boot and after booting into Windows, your mic still doesn't work properly, then follow these additional steps. Now what you're gonna do is restart your ChromeOS and boot into Windows. Just let me restart. And on the screen, again select ChromeOS, hit enter, and here select your Brunch settings and hit enter. Press enter to continue. Now here select your default kernel version and hit enter. Now here press down arrow key and select Android_Init_fix. And here hit the space bar. And now you can see it's selected. Now hit enter. Now again press the down arrow key and select internal mic fix. Hit the space bar and hit enter. Now it's done. Press the enter key again. Now press enter to continue again. Again press enter and hit enter. Again hit enter. And now your PC will be rebooted. Again boot into ChromeOS and hit enter. For the first time it will take 2 to 5 minutes to boot. Now put the password. Now let's check. Sound is working perfectly. Now you can see it's working. So again, let's go to the settings, search for mic, and here you can see it's supported volume, and here is microphone. It's also, that means everything's working perfectly. That's it. Your sound and your microphone should now be working perfectly on ChromeOS, whether you are on single boot or dual boot. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and comment fix below so I know it worked for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.